This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Yeah. And the problem is the next. We want this banner to have a fixed size. Yeah. How do we do this? We actually open DevTools, right? We go here. And this is an actual wrapper. Okay. Here, we just try to find whether something was defined. Okay. Okay. Nice. Yeah. So we see this banner, thumbnail, or wrapper. Yeah. And this property wasn't applied for some reason. In order to apply it, we should simply add important tag right here. So it will work, as you see, right? Then simply go to Design, Custom CSS. Get this right here. Then you click Save, and everything will work fine on basically any device. Thank you.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.